Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to this JUOVI Portable Power Bank. And here it comes. 20,000 milliampere hour. This is a 2 with a 4 O's. 35-watt portable charger. This is a battery pack and a fast charging device with PD 3.0 and QC 4.0. It's a phone battery pack with LED display for our iPhone 70 Pro and all the others out there. Of course, it's compatible with the Galaxy devices and tablets and Switch and something else on the market too. You will and can get this in black, in blue, or in green. You see in that video here, the green version of it. 20,000 milliampere hour large capacity. Because this 35-watt fast charging power bank has a large capacity of 2,000 mAh, which can power our devices multiple times to meet our travel needs. We only need to carry a power bank to solve the charging needs of us and our family of friends, which is very suitable for daily outings and travelings. And 35-watt fast charging. Woo! An external battery power bank here delivers a rapid charging for our devices, capable of charging our iPhone 15 from 20% to 70% in just an half hour. 1.7 times faster than other 22.5 watt power banks on the market. And we have two-way fast charging, because this external battery power bank has a two-way fast charging function, with two charging methods of 35-watt PD Type-C port input and output. It reduced the time spent for waiting to charge the portable battery pack. We can charge 4 devices at once, because the portable phone charger has 2 Type-C ports and on top 2 USB-A ports, and we can charge 4 devices at the same time. That means we can share with our friends or our family at the same time devices for recharging. And a long-lasting battery life. After 300 charge and discharge cycles, the battery capacity of the external mobile phone battery pack remains at 90%. Surpassing the most other portable power banks. Portable charger battery pack have longer battery life, this providing us with a quality assurance. And on top it comes with safe charging protection, because this portable charger battery pack protects our devices from possible overvoltage, overload, overheating, overcurrent and short circuits. The phone will automatically turn off after it is full charged to prevent overheating and overcharging, and protects the health of our phone's battery too. And we have transparent power rating. This JUOVI 35-watt power bank delivers a true 13,000 milliampere hour, 543 ampere to our devices. This rated capacity is the reliable result of a 5% of energy loss from cells and circuitry, and accounted for the full 20,000 milliampere hour 2 times 10,000 internal battery. Why? That's nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!